Walking, and here come all the blue jays. I hear them all. They're close. So beautiful out today. So beautiful. I love walking down here, all these trees. And like the street that I live on, there's a bunch of these trees going all the way down to my house. And every time I drive through it, I'm always like, oh, I'm so beautiful, and I'm so grateful. So grateful. I hope everyone's having a great day. Let's see if we could zoom up on the sun, see what's going on. Keep my hand still, yeah. We're walking to the dog park where we walk every day. Get our daily exercise, and this is my break from just the kids. And not that I need a break from them, but you know, I work from home. I'm a stay-at-home mom, and it's just always nice to have some time just to yourself. I mean, I just walk the dog. It's not that long, you know, a half hour, an hour. But it's enough for me to go and balance myself. Oh my goodness, there's 2 crows. I've been seeing crows recently, so this is crazy. There goes another one, 3 of them. I got them, I taped them about like 3 days ago. They were following me. Also, there's a robin. And that's a blue jay. I could hear, blue jays always mimic. They be mimicking they can mimic anything, but oh my goodness. I feel like birds are definitely higher dimensional beings. You know, they can fly high up in the sky. So I feel like they could be used almost as a vehicle for otherworldly things, or, you know, whatever you want to call it. I feed the birds every day, though. Every day. So the birds and I are pretty close. I have like a whole pack of birds that follow me wherever I go. And usually I don't get a bad feeling from them. Especially my blue jays and stuff like that. Sometimes, every once in a while, you know, you'll get a certain bird that you just get a weird feeling about, you know. So beautiful out here. Crows are following me. So now I'm down to dog park, and I recorded earlier. See, it's almost like they alert. As soon as I walk up a little bit, they send off a call. They're following me wherever I go. They always go before me. Is that a robin right there? It's a robin. There's the crows. There's 3 of them. Look at this. Yeah. Oh crap! I see you all zoomed in. Then catch. Where was it? Let's see. This one. Wow. Look at this cloud. They almost look reminds me of one of those balloons.